All the World is a Stage is one of the most famous monologue by William Shakespeare, spoken by the character Jacques in the play As You Like It. In this monologue, William Shakespeare explained the seven stages of human life from childhood to an old age. The poem beginning with All the world is a stage means the world is a theater and every human beings playing their different role and they have entry and exit just like a theater. Throughout a life, they go through seven different roles. At first, the infant, mewling and puking in nurse's arm, are showing the first stage of human life, like the helpless and crying, held by nurses, showing the dependent on others. And then the winning schoolboy, with his satchel and shining morning face, creeping like snail, unwillingly to school. This is the second stage of human life. The schoolboy is a shining morning face and is walking like a snail. Here Shakespeare used the metaphor of a snail like a slowly walking because he hates the going to school. And then the lover, sighing like furnace, with a woeful ballad made to his mistress. In this stage is a teenager or a young adult who fall in love. The young man is consumed by passion. He is a sighting like a furnace and writing woeful dramatic poetry about something his mistress. Then a soldier, full of stern oaths and beard like a pard, jealous in honor, sudden and quick in quarrel, seeking the bubble reputation even in the cannon's mouth. This stage is the peak of physical energy and aggression, and quickly start the fight because the seeking of bubble reputation to achieve fame. But Shakespeare also reminds us that it is the fame is as empty and fragile as a bubble. And then the justice, in fair round belly, with a good capon lind, with eyes severe and beard of formal cut, full of wise, so and modern instance, so he plays his part. The fifth stage is justice, the middle age, he has power, wealth, and success. He is well fed, eating expensive food, and keep his beard neatly trimmed, and constantly give advice to people. And last line reminds us that he is just playing yet another temporary role. The sixth age shift into the lean and slippered pantaloons, its spectacle on nose and ponch on side, his youthful horse, well saved world too wide, for his shank and his big manly voice, turning again toward childish treble pipes and whistle in his sound. The sixth stage is the pantaloons. An old age, he becomes loose pants. He also wear glasses, and his deep commanding voice become a childing whistle. Last scene of all, the ends this strange eventful history, is second childishness and mere oblivion, sense teeth, sense eyes, sense taste, sense everything. This stage is a second childishness, just like a baby again, and he lose his memory, and world seen as oblivion means a stage of forgetfulness and do not aware about what is happening around you. And at the end, human lose their sense teeth, sense eyes, sense of taste, sense everything. So the ultimately the poem give message us of time and mortality.